Find the odd one out. Stocks, bonds, ETFs or REITs. Which one is different from the others? REIT. Scalping, swing trading, arbitrage or value investing. Value investing. Subscription, freemium, franchise, dropshipping. Franchise. AI, IoT, blockchain or CRM. CRM. PE ratio, ROE, EBITDA or CAGR. CAGR. Robinhood, Interactive Brokers, Binance or Bloomberg term. Bloomberg term. LLC, C corporation, partnership or venture capital. Which one is the odd one? Venture capital. Options, futures, swaps or blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks. Quantum computing, 5G, cloud storage or VPN. Find the odd one out. VPN. Market risk, liquidity risk, inflation risk or beta. Beta. Question number 11. Moving average, conversion diversion, relative strength index, VIX or Fibonacci. VIX. Vertical integer diversification, lean startup or SEC filing. SEC filing. Mobile banking, robo-advisor, blockchain or P2P lending. Blockchain. S&P 500, Nikkei 225, GDP or Russell 2000. GDP. Nvidia, Tesla, IBM, Stripe. Stripe. Debt to equity ratio, current ratio, Sharpe ratio or EPS. That is the earning per share. Sharpe. Question number 17. Find the odd one out. IPO. Expansion, peak, contraction or EBITDA. EBITDA. Question number 19. SaaS, Internet of Things, cybersecurity, private equity. Private equity. Mutual funds, ETFs, hedge funds, or credit rating. Credit rating. Capital gains, VAT, ROI, or estate tax. Which one is the odd one out? ROI. 22. Find the odd one out. Bitcoin, Ethereum, DEFI, or again this is EBITDA. I am also not sure what it is. Again the answer is it's a financial metric. So here's your second last question. Hostile takeover, due diligence, synergy, or cold calling. Cold calling. DCF, comparable analysis, EBITDA multiple, or term sheet. Term sheet is the answer.